Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be testing out my new Craftsman wet dry vac by cleaning out my pool filter. There's a lot of sediment built up in the bottom that just won't come out when you purge it. So we're going to see if this Craftsman wet dry vac can do the job. We're going to be running it without the filter. If you haven't seen my last video, the directions said when you're using the wet vac not to use the paper filter. It'll just get in the way. It says right here, when picking up large amounts of liquid, which we plan to do when cleaning out the pool filter, we recommend that the filter be removed. If the filter is not removed, it will become saturated and misting may appear in the exhaust. So this is just going to get in the way when we go to pick up a lot of water. These filters look pretty bad. I bought a new tool to test out. It's called an aqua comb. If it works out, I'll go ahead and make a video about it. Alright, so we'll test it out with just the hose. That seems to work pretty good. Now we'll put the extender arm on. The extender arm has these little nibs on the end that seem to get in the way. Alright, let's go ahead and put the tool on. Oh yeah, that works great. Yeah, this is pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo! It looks like there's still some sediment stuck down here in the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and run the hose in here to get the rest of that sediment out. Then we'll go ahead and vacuum the rest of it up with the Craftsman wet vac. Alright, let's see how full this is. Oh yeah, it looks like it's full. Alright, to empty it, you just unscrew this little nib down here on the bottom to drain it. Alright, there it goes. Pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like it got a lot of that sediment up here. I can see it in the bottom of the wet vac. Oh, it looks like the wheel fell off again. That happened in my last video, when I tried to pick up the 5-pound weight with the vacuum. Maybe I just didn't put it in there very good. We'll go ahead and try and attach this a little bit better and see if we can prevent this from happening again in the future. looks like it did everything it's supposed to. It cleaned out in here really good. I think it did a great job. I am impressed. The Craftsman wet dry vac worked great for cleaning out my pool filter. And the cord was plenty long enough to reach the outlet over there. So that was great. The hose was long enough to get in there. And then I didn't even have to move it. I just pulled the plug there and drained it right while I was working. It didn't make too much of a mess, so that worked out pretty good. All right, I give it a thumbs up. I will have an affiliate link in the description below. If you want to check out this Craftsman, you can get it from Ace Hardware. All right, thanks for watching.